Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is for some AB drills that I got from Amazon. I got these during the last Prime Day on Amazon. You know, I feel like Amazon is overdoing their Prime Days, but that just might be me. So I got 2 packs. One is 60 colors of square ABs. And then there's supposed to be 1,000 each of them. And this one is $16.99. And now I'm like looking at this, it's still the same price as when I bought it. So maybe it wasn't on sale. I don't know. And then this one, this is what caused me to buy this. This one is metallic square set. It's currently right now for $9.98, and it says there's 20,000 pieces, so I think there's 20 colors. So we'll see. So this is the metallic set, which maybe I was like, I don't have metallics, I think. So let's open the smaller metallic set. So if you're new to diamond painting, okay. So if you're new to diamond painting, let's see, does it say anything? Nope. If you're new to diamond painting, drills can come in just the regular, like just plastic, or they could come with specials. And I just noticed this says sample. So this looks like just, it says resin sample, so I'm guessing this is just regular resin drills. And then crystal sample, so some crystal rhinestones here. And then this is an AB color, so if you're like new to diamond painting, what does the AB mean? Like, you see there's a coating on that yellow drill there. So, and it looks like, you know, and then you see the flat back, that's just the regular drill color, but the AB has this coating on there, and it like sparkles a slightly different way. So, and it adds just like like I said, it sparkles a little bit different. When it hits the light, you could actually, like, it shines it in a way that, it's really pretty. Okay. I actually have these. Last time I actually bought from them before, but I bought these glitter drills. Do you see? Has like glitter on them. I have yet to use them. I have to figure out, like, I keep forgetting that I have them. So these are like jelly glitter drills, and jelly, it means like the drill is a little bit, like, if you notice, it's a little bit transparent, not completely like solid color. And then, okay, this must be, it says glow UV sample. So it looks like a jelly drill, but these must be glow in the dark, which I doubt I'm going to be able to show on camera because I probably have to, it's probably been in the dark too long. I probably have to, like, yeah. So my guess is these are glow in the dark. And maybe if I shine, you're supposed to shine them on the light, and then you see it's glowing a little bit green there. Yeah. Oh, and then this is probably what I ordered on this one, the metallic. See, do you see? This is like a yellow, and then the coating on there kind of looks metallic. I like this one. It's a nice color. So it's not an AB color, it's more metallic. And oh man, my nail looks really horrible. Ignore my nails, it's dry. So this should be the metallic set. Looks like it comes with a couple bags. And I said these were $9.90. What did I say? This one was like $9.98. Okay, so it looks like there's only a couple colors but I get 2 bags of each. So this one looks like silver. I'm pretty sure I probably have something very similar to this. It's like a silver metallic. And then this was what we saw on that shade there. It's like the yellow. I like this one. So how's this one different than this other one? Okay, so this one is a slightly less bright metallic. And then this is a gray. So there's a lot of this metal-y color metallic. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Look at this pink one. I'm trying to like shake it so that you can see. This one looks really pretty. Oh, the green. Oh, I think I kind of prefer this metallic over the AB because it's a common complaint I've had with ABs is that it doesn't look, sometimes it doesn't look like the original. Like, oh, I think this one is supposed to come with the white and black AB, but look at the black. Like, does that look like black? That's more of a blue, if it'll focus. But look at this brown, like the actual brown metallic on it actually looks brown. I like it. And ooh, this one's really pretty too. Like the metallic on it is pink. But yeah, and then it looks like it comes with the black AB. So this is a black AB. So unfortunately, the metallic on this looks blue. But white ABs, I'm always down for, because I feel like the white ABs are the easiest one to add to your diamond painting, because it doesn't change the picture. Like if you add a black AB, it'll change your picture because now you added blue. But yeah, no, these are really pretty. Too bad there's only, well, how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors, and then 9, 10 with the black and the white AB. I did see that they did say there was only going to be. So there's this set. Okay, so this other set is probably worth more. It's a better deal. What do you call that? Better deal quantity wise, because this one has 60,000 pieces. That other one only had 20,000 pieces. So this has 3 times more pieces, but it's less than double the amount in price, because this one is $16.99 right now on the website. Which is the same price I bought it for, so I guess I'm not getting that deal. So you may know I have a lot of ABs, but when I was pondering whether to buy this, because I was buying the metallics, I was looking at the list of colors, and there's a couple colors in here that I don't have. So it's always nice to have more options. I'm probably going to have to rearrange all my ABs again, because those ones that I don't have, I'm going to probably run out of space. So some nice purples here. So these are all separate colors, and they are all should be 1,000. So some nice purples here. So these do have the nice AB color in there. I think these are resin drills. So some pink. So these lighter colors are the easiest ones to replace, because if you notice, the coating on it doesn't drastically change the color. Some nice browns. And then like sometimes these browns kind of really, like when you replace it, it's just it's like really off. But sometimes it looks a bit wrong on the picture. Oh, this one's really pretty. So yeah, I think there's a couple of these I don't have. 5,200. And then some black. I think I probably have a lot of black ABs, but I just don't use them that often. Okay. So more baggies in there, and then some nice beige colors. So I'm looking at the playback on the camera. These are a lot darker than it looks on camera. I don't know why. What's wrong with you, camera? Do I have too much light on? I turned off one of my lights. Okay, so yeah, these are much darker in real life than it looks like on camera. I'm gonna turn off another light. Maybe I have too much light. So it's still darker than what it looks like in real life. For whatever reason. Perhaps if I move it down. But yeah, the closer I have it to my camera, the lighter it is. I think these are a better color matching now. Yeah, see, these look really different, but on camera they look very similar. I'm gonna have to fix this. I don't know what's going on with my camera. Some more baggies. I'm not sure why they even include like baggies. They're not going to give enough for everything. Oh, and also like there is a set in here that also comes with a container, like a 60 bottle case. I have plenty of storage, so I'm of course I'm not buying the one with the 60 bottle case, but there is ones that come with a 60 bottle case, and I think it also comes with labels. So some green. Okay, so I think me turning off the lights might have made this a little bit better. Yeah, these look more like the color it is in real life. Oh, this one's really pretty. I like this one. Oh man, it doesn't look... It's a bluish green. Come on, camera. It's a blue-green. Blue-green. Oh, I'm so sad. Camera, why are you doing this to me? This is supposed to be a purple. If it looks blue, it's why. All right. So yes, here is my unboxing a whole bunch of ABs. Be on the lookout for me putting these into my storage, because now I might have more colors. I have to fit. These metallics look really pretty. All right, so that's all I have for today. So thank you very much for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.